Hello learners, watch this video to make a sample of a backstitch. What you'll need: hand needle, thread, fabric, scissors, ruler or tape measure, pencil, thimble. What to do: thread the needle and tie a knot at the end of the thread. Prepare your piece of cloth and mark the right side and the wrong side of it. Mark the stitching line on the wrong side of the piece of cloth using a pencil. Start stitching on the wrong side of the piece of cloth. Stitch backward a short distance. Stitch forward the same distance. Repeat the procedures evenly to the end of the piece of cloth that you marked. Tie a knot at the end of the thread on the wrong side of the piece of cloth after stitching. Give your sample to your teacher for assessment.